All right, this is the plastic bottle crusher model 5000, which takes 1 or 2 liter soda pop bottles or 1 gallon plastic milk jugs. We're going to test it first on this 2 liter bottle. So you start with the handle all the way in the up position. You loosen the cap just enough that air can come out. You don't have to remove it all the way, just loosen it a bit. And then you load it into the crusher. And then when the crush plate is down, you tighten the cap. And there you go. It's crushed this 2 liter bottle down to this tiny little stub here. Now, the 1 liter bottles are the same way. Loosen the cap a little bit. Load it into the crusher, and you can see that there's a hole in the upper crush plate that the cap of your bottle sticks up through. And then crush down, tighten the cap so that the bottle can't re-inflate, and you're done. Gallon plastic milk jugs work the same way. We'll do one more. Into the crusher, lower the handle. Now I've installed a piece of 2x6 wood block in here so that I don't have to run the handle all the way down. It's a little more comfortable for me. See, it fully crushes a bottle with the handle at about a 30-degree angle to horizontal. Without this wood block, you'd have to push the handle all the way down vertical, and then you'd have to reach down further to pick it up. This piece of 2x6 works really well for these smaller 1 liter bottles. All right, that's it. Plastic bottle crusher model 5000.